Hey there, crafty kids! Welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee. And today we're going to learn how to draw
a mushroom.
Whether you're a returning visitor to the channel or it's your first time here, we're thrilled to have you join our crafty community. Our channel is all about making fun and easy crafts. Let's see what we need to get started.
First, grab a black, red and yellow or beige coloured pen. If you don't have a pen, you can use crayons, pencils or even paint. I've used a mix of markers and crayons. Draw the mushroom top first, then the base, like this. Next, draw the spots on the mushroom, like this. Now it's time to colour the mushroom. Colour the base with your beige colour and then the top with your red colour. Did you know this mushroom is called the fly agaric? Here's one I found in my garden last week. Wow, that looks great! How did you get on with yours?
So guys, that's the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget, keep crafting, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye-bye. And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.